Hello everyone, this is Promise Peters here of the Analysis FX, and if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I drop new videos, clips, content on anything. You'll be the first to get it. So welcome once again. If you are coming across my video or my channel for the first time, I say a big welcome to you. So today I'm just going to look at some couple of pairs, and pending when the NFP news is coming out, and which is going to be very important that we look and wait for that news to come out. But I still have some things that I want to drop here, so let's go into the chart and we'll see what we can get. You're welcome. For USDJPY, this is on a 30 minutes time frame, but I already did my analysis down all the way from daily time frame down to this place you are seeing. So we'll start from the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we are seeing that what I saw was that price has been reacting from this zone that you see I marked here, this particular support zone. Price has been reacting from that zone, and I had a trade on USDPY last week which hit full TP on a buy position, because I believe they were gaining momentum back into the market. So I had this trade on USDPY last week and we had like 174 pips. I dropped this trade on my community. If you want to be part of my community, be on WhatsApp or Telegram, it's at Analysis FX, or hit me up directly and I'll tell you what to do. So I believe that the US was gaining momentum. That was why I had this trade on, and now price is back to that support zone of which price reacted from earlier on. And if you are looking at it now, look at the reaction. Price came all the way down to this place, and then price came all the way down from this resistance down to the support zone, and when it came down here, it gave us a rejection. That was on Wednesday, and on Thursday it gave us a bullish reaction. So what are we expecting price to do right now? For me, I'm sticking to my edge, the edge I have while trading in Forex market, and I know on this zone I know what to do. On the daily time frame, we can see price reaction there, giving us a rejection and then followed by a bullish indecision. I call it a bullish indecision candle, showing that okay, there are buyers coming into the market from this zone. Now I switch to the 4 hours time frame. What am I seeing on the 4 hours time frame? Is on the 4 hours time frame I marked out a change of character on the 4 hours time frame, and also a break of structure. That is on the 4 hours time frame. But on the 4 hours time frame, this was not actually clear to me what I'm seeing. Then I'm spotting a pattern there, which is double bottom. Price is giving me a double bottom, which is here, one, and this two. And double bottom is a reversal pattern for me, which is obviously that price has tested that zone twice, 1 and 2, on the 4 hours time frame. Now moving to the 1 hour time frame, that was what gave me an extra confidence that okay, price is going to react from this zone. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is what you can see clearly. On 1 hour time frame, you can spot the double bottom, which is here, which is the first double bottom is here, the first bottom is there, and this on that one. And we can see the way price is reacting from those. The moment price moves into that zone, we have a reaction immediately. Second time we step into that zone, we have a bullish reaction immediately. And now on the 1 hour time frame, we can obviously see a change of character, which I already spotted here, which is this one here, change of character here, and also a break of structure, which make this zone that I marked on the daily time frame very valid for me. And on 1 hour time frame, I can see a break of structure, which is this one here, and I already marked it. Let me take it out and mark it out so you see a breakup. This is a breakup structure here for me to the upside. A breakup structure. Now, and I already told in my last video, I made mention of what makes a zone valid for me for entering is that particular key zone must lead to either a change of character and a break of structure. Those two things. So here's the change of character, suggesting that price has moved from a downtrend to an uptrend, and immediately we have a break of structure. That's another confirmation for me. Also, now I have 3 things that are confirming this trade for me. Now I have a double bottom, I have a change of character, and I have a break of structure. Those 3 things are giving me enough confirmation that okay, price is going to move, price is going to respect this zone all the way up. Now, one thing I'm putting in mind is the news that is coming out, the NFP news that is coming out. Based on the news, the sentimental news that has been flowing around USD currency, the shutdown, and also I'm having it at the back of my mind that USD has been gaining momentum in the past weeks. Now, what will this shutdown do to the market today? Also, how will it affect the coming news, the NFP that is coming, which is a very, 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 very important news when it comes to the economy of any country. So now, I'm going to be using this zone that I'm marking now here, which is the origin of the break of structure, as my entry zone. Here, this origin here that I just marked now as my entry zone. Now, what I'm looking out for now is for price to come back to this zone and tap me in on this trade. I will advise, if you are entering any trade today from now till 2:30 p.m., make sure you use your stop loss. Because of the uncertainties around the market this period, make sure you use a stop loss. Don't take a trade without a stop loss. Now I'm having this entry on USDJPY. I'm going to stay here, watch it, and watch market reaction. But for me, I'm setting a buy limit on that because I don't know when the NFP is coming out. I'm setting a buy limit on that zone just to wait for price to come back to that zone, tap me into the market. My stop loss is going to be just below the double bottom, which is 50 pips, and I'm targeting 272 pips. For me, this trade is going to take me all the way till next week. I'm more of a swing trader. I know the day more. I swing more most of the time. So for me, this trade is going to take me from now to maybe Monday. This is for USDJPY. So my advice is, as you are coming to the market today to take a trade, have it in mind that something is coming out anytime soon, because there is no time, there's no specific time for me to say okay, this is when it is actually coming out. Be warned. Have it in mind that anything can happen from now till 2:30 p.m. So guys, that's all for USDJPY, and I just hope we have done our best. So we have to wait for the market to do its own, but trade cautiously, apply stop loss order, and risk amount you are willing to lose. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. And lastly, before we go, whatever I have done on the chart is my opinion, not your opinion. You can choose to follow while you're watching the video. You can choose to follow, you can choose to just stay out of it. It's my opinion. It has taken me a couple years to master what I'm actually putting out there. So it's my opinion and not your opinion. So always apply proper risk management if you're going to follow. And lastly, if you are watching this video for the first time and you're coming across my video for the first time, always please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that we'll keep on growing and putting our content for you out there. And also smash the notification button so you get notified whenever I drop clips, content concerning Forex, concerning the financial market, anything, you will be the first to be notified. And lastly, like, subscribe, share, and comment below any question you have concerning the financial market, be it the practical or the theoretical aspect, and I will always be there for you. Thank you, and God bless you.